Is your kitty alarm constantly going off for no apparent reason? You're not alone. The primary causes include dust and debris accumulating in the sensors. Particulates clog sensors, triggering ionization chambers to misfire. Another common cause is insect infiltration. Bugs like spiders or ants enter vents, short circuiting components. Battery issues are also a major factor. Low voltage or faulty lithium cells cause erratic chirping. Environmental factors like humidity or cooking fumes can also trigger false alarms. High humidity, cooking fumes, or nearby heat sources simulate smoke. Ionization sensors, commonly used in kitty alarms, are particularly prone to false alarms from steam or particles. Many kit alarms have a history of false alarms. A major recall in 2023-2024 affected over 1.5 million units due to lithium battery failures causing unprovoked chirping or beeping. Understanding these factors is the first step to resolving the issue. First, try non-invasive cleaning. Use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment or compressed air to gently remove dust from the alarm vents. Never use liquids. Replace the batteries every 6 months, even if they aren't dead, or switch to sealed lithium models for longer life. Test the alarm monthly by pressing the test button. Relocate the alarm 10 to 20 feet away from kitchens and bathrooms to reduce the impact of cooking fumes and humidity. If the problem persists, consider replacing the ionization alarm with a photoelectric model or a smart alarm, which uses algorithms to differentiate real threats. Remember, disabling the alarm is dangerous and often violates fire codes.